Voiceover on. Settings. Accessibility. Back button. Speech. Button. Braille. Button. Voiceover recognition. Button. Using on-device intelligence. Your iPhone will automatically improve the accessibility of apps, images and text. Voiceover recognition should not be relied upon in circumstances where you could be harmed or injured, in high-risk situations, for navigation, or for the diagnosis or treatment of any medical condition. Image descriptions. Off. Screen recognition. Off. Button. Image descriptions. Off. Button. Feedback style. Play sound. Button. Voiceover. Back button. Voiceover. Back button. Voiceover. Voiceover recognition. Button. Using on-device intelligence. Your voiceover. 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 On. Double tap to toggle setting. Voiceover off.